Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hey everyone, so I am down in Whittier visiting my parents, and a high demand request for a video for me is my family's recipe for Thousand Island dressing. So since we're doing burgers today, I decided that I would go ahead and film myself making the Thousand Island dressing. It's a very simple, very few items in it. Little note ahead of time, this ketchup is a no sugar added ketchup. You do not have to buy that ketchup, it's just what was available to me here at my parents' house. So I will go ahead and start. We have mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, relish, sweet relish, you can do dill, it's up to personal preference. Worcestershire sauce. For the Thousand Island that we make at our house, we add a splash of liquid smoke. It adds some good flavor, especially if you're using, say, a gas grill instead of a charcoal grill. Adds a little bit of that smoky flavor. Then simple pepper and salt. So mayonnaise is your main base. So I have no official measurements for this. I haven't measured this in a long time, so you will have to just kind of follow along with me a little bit, and I'll give you little pointers. So mayonnaise is your main base. Just throw that anywhere. And so you'll go ahead and get your mayonnaise in here. All right. Then from there, go ahead and do the mustard. So the amount of mayonnaise you put on, you probably want about half of that quantity in mustard, and then you'll do the other half of that quantity in ketchup. Okay. Then you'll go ahead and take your relish. In my case, I'm using sweet relish, and you're just gonna kind of play that one by eyeball as well. It's about a little less compared to ketchup and mustard. Take your Worcestershire. Just gonna do a few splashes of that. Now you don't want to do too much; it will overpower most of that flavor. And then the liquid smoke, same thing. We just want a little bit in there for flavor. That is it. Go ahead and take a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Go ahead and take our spatula, go ahead and stir this all up. Now, some of the easiest ways to tell if you need a little bit more mustard, a little bit more ketchup, is the coloring. I can already tell from the coloring in this, it probably has a little more mustard than it does ketchup. So I will go ahead and throw in just a little bit more ketchup because I can already see that. Down and show that. Okay, so that's roughly the coloring you're looking for. And of course, been making this a long time, so it doesn't take me very many tries to get it. But homemade Thousand Island is significantly better tasting than something you're gonna buy from the store. Go ahead and try this out with your friends. The next time you're having a barbecue, it will make your burgers just stand out that much more having something homemade like that. But please go ahead and like and subscribe and share and try this out and comment on if you liked it or not, or if you have anything that you'd like me to change on it. You know, maybe I'll try someone else's recipe as well. So But thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.